Are you frustrated that when you try to lose weight, it goes well in the beginning, but then stops and plateaus and you don't know why? It's annoying, and you feel like getting weight loss results doesn't work. Instead, what does science say about weight loss plateaus? I'll discuss recent and relevant scientific studies that dive deep into analyzing weight loss plateaus. By the end of this video, I'll explain to you why your weight loss plateaus based on scientific research and the 4 steps to take to break through the plateaus to get the weight loss results you want. Stay until the end because I'll be sharing the scientifically proven time for when weight loss plateau happens. I was surprised to read this. Weight loss plateaus do not happen as quickly as you think. For science-based weight loss advice from a registered dietitian, me, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Thursday. My name is Adrian. I'm a registered dietitian with a Master's of Science in Nutrition, a certified diabetes educator, and a healthy weight loss coach. I've helped thousands of people with their healthy eating and weight loss goals over the years. I was also awarded the 2021 Consumer Choice Award for Registered Dietitian and Weight Loss Management. Let's look at the scientific research on weight loss plateaus. In the September 2014 issue of the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, weight loss plateau was discussed. This study analyzed 4 different research studies with a total of over 5,000 subjects, adult men and women, from the studies. They used mathematical models to determine if the body adapts to weight loss and prevents additional weight loss over time, or whether it was an adherence issue, so not following the weight loss eating plan from the participants over time, which is causing the weight loss plateaus. Weight loss was looked at from a calorie deficit perspective. In short, the study found that body adaptation is not the cause for early weight loss plateaus. Instead, the lack of adherence, so following the eating plan for weight loss over time, was the main cause for weight loss plateaus. In fact, from one of the studies, it showed that adherence to the weight loss eating plan was 80% in the first month and steadily decreased each month, with month 4 being at 40% adherence from the participants. The results from the study are also found in other research articles from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, which are also up here. So you can see, so what can you do when you see a weight loss plateau? Again, I want to remind you to stay to the end of these tips because I'm going to share with you when weight loss has been scientifically proven to actually happen. You'll be surprised with the answer. The first thing you can do is understand that weight loss fluctuations are completely normal. When I work with my weight loss clients in my coaching program, we plan for weekly weight loss, but that's not reality. The reality is weight loss happens over a period of time. A period of time is the trend over 1, 2, 3 or more months, not day-to-day or one-week fluctuations. So the question is it really a plateau? Just because you didn't see weight loss in 1 or 2 weeks doesn't mean you need to be distressed. If you follow the right eating plan to be in a calorie deficit, then over time, you will get results. The second thing is, are you consistent with your plan? Are you taking weekends off, but only in a calorie deficit Monday to Friday? It's important to create a consistent routine with eating. When it becomes a routine, your body knows what to expect and helps with consistency. This means that Monday to Friday eating times may be very similar, like having breakfast at 6 a.m., while Saturday and Sunday can look very different, like having breakfast at 9 a.m., because you sleep in on the weekends. But this is predictable for your body and helps you keep to your eating plan. The third thing is, are you accurately tracking your food? You think you're only eating 1 tablespoon of peanut butter with your toast in the morning, but do you actually know what 1 tablespoon of peanut butter looks like? Without actually measuring foods out, it's been scientifically proven that we tend to underestimate the amount of food we eat. I'm not saying you need to meticulously measure every food item every single day, but I do suggest my clients to measure foods until they are confident about the portion sizes that they are eating. It also helps you be mindful about what you're eating and think about how much that portion size relates to being satisfied and satiety. Take a break and don't stress out. Stress affects your hormones and can prevent you from losing weight. I talk more about stress and weight loss in my video here. Here's the surprise. Scientific studies state as a fact that weight loss plateaus actually start at 6 months of being at a calories deficit. That's right, not after a few weeks or a couple months, but 6 months. Don't fret if you aren't seeing results if you follow the first 3 steps above. Instead, eat for maintenance for a week or increase your calories if you feel too restricted to ease the stress of watching your diet too closely. Maintenance is still progress. Once you feel like you're in the right headspace, start with your weight loss plan again with a fresh new perspective. For easy and delicious weight loss recipes to get you started, check out my free recipes at adrianrd.com or click on the link in the description below to get the recipes. Check out these other videos to get more tips and recipes on healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and hit the bell button and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more from me.